So this is Robin Wouters reporting from Mobile World Congress here in Barcelona for TechCrunch. I'm here with Phillip. Can you introduce yourself?
Absolutely. Thank you, Robin, for coming. My name is Phillip Grønvold. I'm with Opera Software. I'm a product analyst working in the product group here at Opera.
Okay. So you've recently announced that you're going to put Opera Mobile on a lot of Android handsets under a license structure where you're going to deliver the software to the manufacturers. You've never actually publicly shown the software running on Android devices up until now.
Yes. Congress is the first time.
Great. So which device is this?
This is the Google Nexus 1. This is the Android phone with the Snapdragon 1 GHz processor inside. We also have Opera Mobile here running in stand with several hero devices and of the 528 MHz class as well.
Okay.
So this is the same user experience that you will be familiar with Opera Mini or Opera Mobile on a Windows Mobile or Symbian device. Let's go to a web page.
Maybe just for our readers, what's the difference between Opera Mobile and Opera Mini?
Well, Opera Mobile is a full browser, client browser that sits on the handset. So the handset itself goes to the internet to pull down all the content. Where Opera Mini, the solution used by 50 million people around the world, is actually a server-based technology that the server goes and pulls the information and then it's compressed and sent directly to the handset.
Right.
And that basically allows for an Opera Mobile experience on devices that aren't capable of running Opera Mobile.
Right, okay. Take a look.
So here you see the BBC. And while we're going through the BBC, I'll load the New York Times. But we'll go back to the BBC.
It's almost as fast as the iPhone application.
Now this is much heavier. This is the full, compared to Opera Mini that's not compressed. This is the full image. As you see the running text, as you would notice on a website. There you go. Let's go back to the New York Times. Now you see the imagery just coming in. The page is not completely loaded yet, but you still have a great responsiveness when it comes to the user interface and the experience.
Should we put it in landscape mode?
Maybe I should have done that after the page loaded.
Yeah.
But yes, it does support auto rotation.
Right. So does Opera Mobile sync to my Opera desktop browser?
It does, through a functionality here called Opera Link. And here's Opera Link. It's the same in Opera Mini as well as the desktop browser, so you can take your speed dials and your bookmarks with you as you go.
Right. Is the iPhone application also going to have it if it gets in the App Store?
Well, it's of course we'd have to go through the approval process, but our goal is to of course include Opera Link into the iPhone application. We have a few services that we'd like to make available on all of our phones that are running on several hundred devices. So of course we would like to have that same functionality here.
So how many handset manufacturers are building devices with Opera Mobile pre-installed on Android?
Well, we have not publicly announced any Opera Mobile Android solutions yet in marketplace.
Okay.
But we do work very closely with many major OEM handset manufacturers around the world that currently have Android projects. And I would say probably stay tuned to that space in the future.
Right.
But for right now, there is an Opera experience on the Android phone. You can go to the marketplace and actually get Opera Mini, that server-side compression one. That is publicly available today.
Right. So when do you expect the first handset with Opera Mobile running on Android to be released publicly?
Well, it's right now in beta form. All of Opera Mobile 10 is in beta form. We're now in our third iteration of beta for public releases. And so we're getting close to final here. So once it becomes final, then we work with our handset manufacturers in order to deliver this experience. So it's not tomorrow, but we certainly hope it's not far away because the experience is very close to finished here.
Is it going to be this year?
We hope.
Okay, on that note, thank you very much.
Thank you.